Greetings, my name is Chanduko Ramunganga. Welcome to Mupondi Vatu, aka Observe Nature. Today I want us to talk about the sound of water. The sound of water is called babble. The sound of brooks or stream or river may be babbles or ripples or even trickles. The word babble probably comes from the imitation of the sound a rippling, bubbling, which brook makes. The term sound is derived from the Anglo-Saxon or Old Norse word sand, which also means swimming. The word sense is already documented in Old Norse and Old English as meaning gap or narrow access. In Swedish and in both Norwegian languages, sand is the general term for any strait. They are types of sound. Infrasonic sound. Infrasonic is a sound with a frequency of less than 20 Hz. Elephants use infrasonic sounds to interact with herds hundreds of kilometers away. The other one is sonic. Sonic is a sound with a frequency between 20 and 20,000 Hz. The last one is ultrasonic. Ultrasonic, it is a sound with a frequency more than 20,000 Hz. There are three types. It's infrasonic, sonic, and ultrasonic. Infrasonic is more than 20 Hz. Sonic is between 20 and 20,000 Hz. Ultrasonic is more than 20,000 Hz. Shalom.